Hello, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to create a stopwatch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is my timer. You can see the working of the timer. When we are clicking stop, it will stop, then reset. This is how it is working. I will explain the logic how to create this. Uh, this are this is the variable I have using to store the element I selected using the ID. This element is of a box which contain the output of displaying or showing the timing. And start, stop and reset, these are the three variables using to select the three buttons of three different buttons. And the counter is equal to 0. It is act like a counter, like its initial value starts from 0. Then uh, interval variable is used. Its value is initial value is null. It is using to set up the interval. Then the function. This function is mainly using to work the timer. So uh, it start with incrementing the initial value from 0 to its maximum value. Its maximum value is depends on these three equations. These three equations is mainly the timer is working. This mat.floor is one of the statement used to avoid the point values, or we get rounding the values. So the second is start from 0 to 60. 60 is maximum value. Then coming to this minute is work after the second. It will run up to count up to 60. And after completing this, it will start this hour starts from 0 to 23. This is how the equations are I have given. And these three statement I created for to avoid the conditions like mm, condition of mm, avoiding the single digit, like 1 2 3 4. We are avoided by using this appending a 0 in front of the value or prefix of the value. So this is the output it will generate by using the with respect to its variable. So we get this this value output. And activating this timer using these three buttons. So I have given three even listeners to activate by click. And the start time is a function used to start the timer. If the timer is activated, then it won't return. Means if the timer is working, when we are re-clicking that event, there is the event will the counter will not stops or recount from initial value to maximum. So to avoid that, we have using that return. Then the interval is setting the interval. Then I am using a callback function of that function. Then this timer will activate it using that time function. Then this value is incremented in 1 second. I have given 1000 millisecond. It means 1 second, the proper timing. Then the function stop time is mainly using to stop the time. This is how I stop by using clear interval. Stop the interval. Then the value become null and it will stop. And the reset function is mainly reset all the values. This value it will generate. We are giving the stop timer is because when we are uh, okay without it, this value is uh, when this value is changed without it also uh, regenerate the value, like start from 0 to maximum value. When we are adding first, it stop the value, then it will make the value 0 0, the initial values. That's all about the logic of stopwatch, and thank you for watching this.